times of time bring out the news. Another day is through. Someone's left hand fell. Was that someone you? You may have longed for a bit strength, your courage to renew. Do not be disheartened, for I have news for you. It is no secret what God can do. What is done for others, He'll do it for you. With arms wide open, He'll pardon you. It is no secret what God can do. There is no night, for in His light you'll never walk alone. Always feel at home wherever you may roam. There is no bow can conquer you while God is on your side. Take Him at His promise.